Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make an origami string of lanterns. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the string of lanterns, you're going to need a square sheet of paper for each lantern, some twine or decorative string, some washi tape, and a pair of scissors to cut the thread. To make a lantern, we're going to take our first sheet of paper, flip it around so that the color side or the pattern side is facing towards the table away from you, and then fold the entire thing in half. Unfold. And now let's align the bottom side to the horizontal center line that you just created. So we're going to fold this straight up and crease it in. Let's rotate and repeat the same thing at the bottom. So we're going to take the bottom side, fold it straight up to align with the horizontal line, and crease it in. Now let's take each one of these corners and we're going to fold it diagonally right to this horizontal line. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally to create a little triangle, and crease it in. So now that we have all four corners completed, we're going to flip the entire thing around. And then we're going to fold the bottom side up, just like this. And we're going to align it to the bottom of these little triangles here. Crease it in. Rotate and repeat the same thing at the bottom. So you're going to take this triangle and fold it straight up, align everything, and crease it in. Now let's flip it around again, and then we're going to work on these four corners of the square. So we're just going to take the corner and we're going to fold it up a little bit, like that. Rotate and repeat the same thing with the remaining three corners. So as you're folding, just, take notice that this is going to be the shape of your lantern. So the more you fold, the smaller your lantern will become. The less you fold, the bigger your lantern will be. So now that we have all four corners done, we're going to flip it around again. And now you notice that there are these two little tab thingies here. They kind of look like diamonds. Let's rotate it so that they're pointing up and down. And now from the top, you're going to take your finger and you're going to stick it into this opening right here. And as you do that, you're also going to push upwards. See how I'm pushing upwards with my two thumbs? Like that. And you're going to flatten. And once you flatten it, there's going to be a rectangle at the top. And here's how it looks like from the back. So now let's rotate and repeat the same thing at this side over here. So again, you're going to stick your finger into the opening, left and right. And then you're going to push upwards with your two thumbs and flatten to create a rectangle shape. Now you have one of the lanterns completed. Now I'm going to take some twine. I'm going to flip each one of these lanterns around. And then take a piece of washi tape and tape the embroidery thread onto the lantern. Flip it around. And your string of lanterns is complete. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. If you would like to support me and this channel, be sure you hit subscribe and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Leave your comments letting me know what you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!